this video, I'll be talking about all the basics of makeup.
सो स्किन प्रेप इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप इन अ मेकअप रूटीन बिकॉज जितना अच्छे से आप अपनी स्किन को प्रेप करोगे उतना ही अच्छा और फ्लॉलेस आपका बेस भी लगेगा. नाउ इवन पीपल विद ऑयली स्किन मस्ट मॉइस्चराइज देयर फेस विद अ मैट बेस्ड और अ जेल बेस्ड moisturizer like the plum green tea mattifying moisturizer or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Moisturization is actually the most important step in both the skincare routine and a makeup routine. So हमेशा अपना moisturizer हमें अपनी skin type के according ही select करना चाहिए. Now the second most important step is applying sunscreen. So whenever you're going out during the daylight, applying a good amount of sunscreen is really important whether you're wearing the makeup or you're not. Nowadays there are many products जिनके अंदर already SPF mentioned होता है, but those are not enough. Now once my skin prep is done, I'll move on to my foundation. Now as you can notice, मैंने कोई भी primer यूज़ नहीं किया है बिकॉज स्किन पे मैंने मॉइस्चराइज़र और सनस्क्रीन से ऑलरेडी एक इवन लेयर क्रिएट कर लिया जिससे मेरा फाउंडेशन एंड कंसीलर बहुत अच्छे से स्टिक हो जाएगा. बट पीपल विद ऑयली स्किन कैन गो फॉर अ सिलिकॉन बेस्ड प्राइमर जिससे उनके जो ओपन पोर्स है वो लॉक हो जाएंगे. बट फॉर पीपल विद ड्राई स्किन you can easily skip that. Now using this expert face brush by Real Cosmetics, I'll blend the foundation all over my face and neck also. So there are these 3 points to keep in mind जब भी हम अपना foundation apply कर रहे हैं. The first is that start with using less product. Take less product and if you think that the coverage is light या हमें अभी और coverage build up करना है, then take more product. एंड द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज़ कि अपने फाउंडेशन को अपने फेस पे डॉटेड मैनर में लगाओ यूजिंग योर फिंगर्स जिससे आपका फाउंडेशन ओवरडू नहीं लगेगा.
Another mistake to avoid while doing your base is to stop using those face oils because हम अपनी जितनी स्किन पे लेयर्स ऐड करेंगे एंड दीज आर द एक्स्ट्रा लेयर्स, वी डोंट नीड इट. हमारा बेस उतना ही लेस लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होगा एंड हमारा मेकअप उतना जल्दी उतर जाएगा बिकॉज इंडिया इज़ अ वेरी ह्यूमिड कंट्री एंड आवर फेस प्रोड्यूसेस ऑयल, सो वी डोंट नीड दोज एक्स्ट्रा लेयर्स ऑफ ऑयल.
कंसीलर के लिए मैंने अपनी स्किन से 2 शेड डार्कर एक पीच अंडरटोन में कंसीलर यूज़ किया है सो दैट जो मेरी आई के अराउंड की डार्कनेस है वो मेरे फेस से मैच कर जाए एंड माई बेस इज़ बैलेंस्ड. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट दैट लेस इज़ मोर. Now for the eyebrows, I prefer them to be natural and really fluffy. So first using the spoolie side of my brush, मैंने अपनी eyebrows को upward direction में brush किया है and then I've used the eyebrow pomade and I've drawn a line and given a nice shape to my eyebrows from below. One very important thing is to leave some space at the front of your eyebrows and then draw the line. Otherwise, your eyebrows will look very unnatural and dark. Once you have outlined your eyebrow from below, start filling it with light strokes and make sure that you don't put a lot of pressure on your brush. Keep your hand light. Now once the eyebrow is defined from below, you move on to the upper side. First, I have brushed down my eyebrow hairs and repeating the same process with a really light hand. Once my eyebrows are shaped and filled, I'll be using the left out product on the brush to give a shape and define the front part of my eyebrow. This part is completely optional and up to you, but I love using a brow gel. Here I am using a clear brow gel to set my eyebrow hair in their place and give that lifted, fluffy eyebrow look. Now coming back to the concealer, I will use the same brush which I use for my foundation and blend my concealer in a dabbing motion only around the eye area. Also make sure that you don't apply your concealer extremely close to your eyes because that will cause creasing. Another makeup myth is that you need 2 shades of concealer for your makeup. No, not every time you do your makeup because when you're doing an everyday makeup look, you don't need a lighter color concealer. For some skin tones, using a lighter color concealer may make it even more gray and dark, so avoid using it. Moving on to blush, today I'll be using this lip and cheek tint by Just Herbs. It's a really pretty color and you can wear it almost daily on your eyelids, on your cheeks, and even on your lips. Here again I'm using the same brush to blend out my blush. You actually don't need 10 brushes or 15 or 20 brushes to do your makeup. You just need to know how to use your brushes correctly. Every brush can be used in more than one specific way. And now it's the time to seal all those cream products in. So the biggest myth is that you need a lot of loose powder to set on your face, creating all those white lines, but that actually dries out your skin. The more powder you use on your face, the more your pores and your fine lines and every texture of your face will get highlighted and become more visible than it already is. Now it's the time for bronzer, and for that I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and trust me, it's the most easy to use bronzer, and I have used this bronzer ever since I started doing my makeup. It's really beginner friendly and not at all heavy on your face. Also, there is another myth that we need to do a contouring and bronzing both. No, it's not necessary to do both contouring and bronzing when you're doing a everyday look and your base is light and it's not that heavy. You can go only with the bronzer. Usually I just wear bronzer even when I'm going out. Or now that my base is done, I'm moving on to my eyeshadow. For that I'm taking this dark orange color from my Makeup Revolution palette. Makeup Revolution palettes are really nice if you're just starting out or even if you're doing the makeup professionally. They are pigmented and not that expensive. So I'm placing the color on my outer corner and then blending it on the inside of my eye. Remember, हम जब भी अपना आई शेडो अप्लाई करते हैं तो अगर हमें उसकी इंटेंसिटी अपनी क्रीज में ज़्यादा चाहिए तो फिर हम उसको आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड में ब्लेंड करेंगे. बट इफ़ वी वॉन्ट आवर आईज टू लुक लॉन्ग and snatched out, then we will blend our eyeshadow towards the outer corner. Now I'm doing the same on my other eye and blending it with the same brush. Now that my crease shade is done, I'm taking this golden shimmer shadow from my Too Faced palette and I am using my finger to apply it. Fingers are actually the best to use when you are using a shimmer shadow because हमारी फिंगर्स से आई शेडो बहुत स्मूथली और बहुत पिगमेंटेड अप्लाई होता है हमारी आईज पे. इन केस ऑफ शिमर शेडोज, इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग इट डायरेक्टली विद अ ब्रश, हमें उतनी पिगमेंटेशन नहीं मिलेगी एंड उतना शाइन नहीं मिलेगी. देन आई एम टेकिंग माई सेम ब्रश एंड ब्लेंडिंग द हार्श एजेस ऑफ द गोल्डन शेडो. And now I'm curling my lashes. I always curl my lashes because curling lashes gives a different effect. And if you like applying false lashes on a daily basis, giving a curl to your lash will make your false eyelash. But today I'm only applying the mascara. So I'm using this washable mascara by Kiko Milano. I prefer not to use waterproof mascaras because removing the waterproof mascara from the eyelashes actually weakens the eyelash hair, which I have experienced in the past. So I prefer using only a washable mascara. And I make sure that I take my time and apply 2-3 layers of mascara, wait for the first layer to dry up and then add the other layers. This way it makes my eyes look really opened, big, and when I'm wearing only mascara it gives a really natural and a pretty look. Then once my mascara dries up, I'll be applying the nude eye pencil in my lower lash line. It gives a really nice and a fresh look to the eye. Now my look is complete and I hope you liked this simple beginner friendly makeup tutorial. And just remember, makeup is all about trial and errors. Don't follow the trends blindly. Don't believe in the myths. Do what looks the best on you.